Hello, welcome to Gayathri's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade chicken sandwich that's packed with flavor. It's super easy to make, and so let's get started. Let's start by cutting the vegetables. Here I am cutting the red bell pepper into thin slices. I'm cutting the onion also into thin slices. These both will add a nice crunch and sweetness to our sandwich. Now heat some olive oil in a pan and add the bell peppers. Sprinkle little salt and saute for few minutes. Then add the onions and cook until they turn soft and slightly golden. Once they are done, transfer them to a bowl and set them aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil and finely chopped garlic. Sprinkle some salt and saute just until it's fragrant. Now I am adding the boneless chicken breast. Sprinkling some turmeric. Salt and chili flakes. Flip it over to roast both sides evenly. Now cover the pan and let it cook. In between, I am adding just 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and covering the lid. This helps steam the chicken, making it tender and juicy. I'll do the same on the other side as well. Here I am squeezing half a lemon over the chicken for extra flavor. Let's check how is our chicken. It's soft and well cooked. Finally, add little chili powder and roast the chicken on both sides. So chicken is ready. Let's move on to the bread. We cut the bread and layering it with pepper jack cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. I'm toasting this bread in the air fryer for 5 minutes on bake mode. While the bread is toasting, I am slicing the chicken into strips. It is very hot. After cutting, I am tossing it back in the pan to pick up all those delicious flavors left behind. The bread looks perfect. Now let's chop up our toppings. I am slicing romaine lettuce into thin strips along with cucumber and tomato. These will add a nice and refreshing crunch to our sandwich. Let's put everything together. First, I'm adding that sautéed bell peppers and onions, then the juicy chicken, next cucumber and tomato slices, on top of that I am adding romaine lettuce, adding slices of pickled cucumber, for extra flavors I am adding honey mustard and ranch dressing. You can choose any kind of dressing you like, but my son likes these, so we use mostly these things. Finally, I am closing the sandwich with the help of a knife. Push everything back and close the sandwich. Cut into half. Our delicious homemade chicken sandwich is ready. Look at this beautiful, bright and crunchy sandwich. You also try this recipe. It's super tasty and easy to make. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.